At the end of the day, everything that you do, you have to be held accountable for it. You can't just throw your stuff off to an accountant or a tax agent and expect that they're going to tell you everything. You have an obligation to ask the questions. Now, you know what? Finances aren't people's strong point, and that's okay. And that's probably some of the reason they're in the situation they are. And a lot of people just don't want to deal with it. But look, if you've got a small business, you can go to your existing accountant and they can just do accounting. And you know what usually happens? You give them your figures, you give them the bank statements. If you're lucky, you'll know how to use an accounting system and you might throw it off to them. But you turn up to them every 3 months, you give them the stuff, they give you a bill and they tell you how much BAS you're going to pay. Now, I'm sorry, but that's a bit negative to me. It's a bit, oh, okay, well, I don't have that money. Oh, okay, Pete, you owe the tax department 15 grand. You say, oh, that's great, Andrew, but where am I going to get it? Oh, sorry, Pete, not my problem. You have to deal with the tax department, or I'll deal with it for them. That's not being proactive. That's not helping you run your business. And then the other question is, why don't you have that 15 grand? Like, what have you done with it? Where's it gone? It's gone into thin air. That sort of work is dying. Like, anybody can do the accounts. You need a good accountant to really sit down with you and educate you. And you have to, though, be willing to understand that this is your job, this is your business, and it's your responsibility. And you can't abrogate that responsibility to someone else. So what we try and do is we work with people. Now, we can do your bookkeeping, or I can teach you how to do your bookkeeping, and you might not want to do it, but at least I've taught you so you understand the process and the mechanics. And then when we go through your financials, you get it. You know, part of our role is to educate business owners because, as I said, the majority of businesses in Australia are mums and dad businesses. There's 10,729 businesses went in insolvency last year. And that's not including sole traders, that's actual companies. It's massive. You don't even need identification to go and open a company. There's something pretty bad. So who are you going to look to? Are you going to look to your local accountant on the corner to tell you about your director's duties, to tell you about how your business can be taken away from you, how your family home can be taken away from you? I mean, are they the people who are going to educate you? Or they're just there doing your books, doing your tax return and flipping it back to you at the end of the quarter? It's not right, okay? It's what has been accepted as the norm, but it's not how things should be. We can't continue to let Australian families lose their businesses. And we can't continue to do that to children, because if children grow up in that environment, they're going to get bad lessons. They're going to get, like, there's stress, there's parents fighting, there's all these sort of stuff, and it's just not the way things should be. But it's going to change.